The UK's 25-year Environment Plan aims to restore the natural world within a single generation. It requires managing thousands of stakeholders and co-evolving goals across decades. If the policy fails to scale, the environmental damage may become irreversible. Traditional governance relies on the assumption of a straight line. The design phase creates policy X, and the delivery phase produces outcome Y, following a predictable path. But modern challenges exist within wicked environments. These are complex systems where everything is interconnected and the rules change while you play. The rigid flowchart shatters, nodes orbit and multiply. These systems possess moving boundaries, continuous feedback loops, and active resistance mechanisms. When a rigid policy hits a complex system, the system adapts. Actors within the environment route around the new rules, creating unexpected indirect effects that can neutralize the intervention entirely. Applying 20th century linear planning to these 21st century networks effectively ensures that the policy will miss its intended target. Success in an unpredictable landscape requires moving toward adaptive management, where the intervention evolves alongside the system. Traditionally, evaluation is a post-mortem report, a document written years after completion when it is too late to influence the outcome. Modern evaluation operates as a continuous feedback loop. It is integrated directly into the active implementation phase to provide constant data on how the system is responding. The UK government's Magenta Book provides the specific framework for this shift, detailing how to handle complexity by using evaluation as an active tool rather than a historical audit. Evaluation provides the real-time steering mechanism for an active policy, allowing it to survive the implementation process. Translating this theory into the field requires a specialized methodology. It starts with participatory system mapping. Stakeholders diagram the moving parts and hidden connections early on. During deployment, evaluators use data streams to track unfiltered reactions in real time. By analyzing these results, managers understand underlying causes of change and adjust policy parameters immediately. These tools transform a static intervention into a responsive organism capable of surviving dynamic shifts in the environment. Under this model, the boundaries between the different stages of government work begin to disappear. Appraisals inform live monitoring, which feeds directly back into policy design. This continuous cycle applies the principles of agile project management to national governance. Moving away from bureaucratic certainty is a significant cultural challenge for any administration. It requires designing budgets, contracts, and timelines with built-in contingency funds and milestones that are expected to change. This means organizational leaders must treat unexpected outcomes as the essential data required for learning and course correction. Ultimately, success in an unpredictable world relies on the systemic capacity to learn and iterate. Modern policy is not a finished plan, but a continuous process of adaptation.